Hi, it's Jessica Fox. I was a Cyberbacker super user and now I am a franchise owner. And I'm here to congratulate you for moving forward in the process of scheduling a business eval. A business evaluation is a quick process which will give you clarity on how much time you need someone. Are you looking for part-time or full-time? And are you looking for someone with more administrative and marketing talents or someone that has the skill set to be on the phones all day? Very different personalities and different people. So we'll help you get clarity on what specifically you're going to hire in terms of skill, and we'll make sure you understand the process and the contract involved. Assuming that you're ready to roll and you sign the contract, then the matchmaking experience begins. So we can't wait to help you along through this process, get clarity so you're ready to get started. And the first thing is next to do your business eval. You'll schedule that, and we ask that you keep that appointment because we'll be moving forward quickly as this process goes.